Just bought this tube amp today. All works. I'm running it through a preamp or a Pioneer receiver. From a console, can't see any make on there, but sweet little tube amplifier, probably about 8 watts a channel maybe, but very sweet analog.